Welcome to Labs, learning through pictures and sounds. This video will help you to use better words and expression in the workplace. Let's learn a few words and phrases that are very useful in your professional life. First word, catalyze. In chemistry, to catalyze a reaction means to speed up the reaction. Similarly, in business, to catalyze a process means to speed it up or to make it happen faster. Let me give you an example. Imagine you serve an organization that works on protecting the environment. Now they are planning to catalyze tree plantation to save the environment. Or imagine you are a medical researcher. You have observed that the coronavirus epidemic put lives at risk. So the vaccine against the coronavirus must be invented as soon as possible. So you think the government should allocate more funds to catalyze research and development in medical research to invent the vaccine. Let me give you another example. Imagine you are a math teacher. You are organizing a math competition at your school to catalyze the ability of students to solve math questions. The next English word we are going to learn is thrive. Originally, to thrive means to develop effectively and fast. For example, most fruit trees thrive in full sunlight. Or you must provide your child with sufficient nutrition so that she can thrive. Or if you keep your kitchen dirty, germs will thrive. In business, thrive has the same meaning but more dynamic uses. Let me give you an example. Imagine you are working for an international organization and your team leader is supportive. She appreciates your positive efforts and encourages your growth. In that case, you can say, working with our team leader helps me grow and thrive. Or, imagine you are an entrepreneur and the outbreak of coronavirus has slowed down your business growth. So you need to plan how you can boost your business. To describe such a situation, you can tell your partners, we need to come up with immediate plans to make our business thrive again. Or, imagine you are the Chief Human Resources Officer at a company. You want to create a culture at your company so that everyone can learn, share, and grow. To bounce the idea off your CEO, you write an email saying, I want to take some initiatives to give all the employees a vision so that they can thrive. That will help our business thrive as well. Have you noticed one difference between the words catalyze and thrive? The word catalyze is followed by an object. For example, reading books catalyzes your success. But the word thrive does not need an object to follow. For example, in today's marketing world, if you can master the art of communication, you will surely thrive. Let us do some exercises on the words we have just learned. Catalyze and thrive. Suren serves a local bank as the Chief Financial Officer. To catalyze the bank's revenue, he plans to take some smart initiatives. Nirvana delivers a motivational speech at a youth festival where she says, we have to be the best version of ourselves. We will not just survive, but also thrive. Now it's your turn. Make more sentences with the words catalyze and thrive and post into the comment box. Keep your eyes on Labs and get more tips on corporate English. Thank you.